What's up, guys? Happy holidays. Today we have a iPad Air 5 that has a no power issue. So let's plug in the charging cable and see what we see. So we're getting 0.5 fluctuating, 0.5, 0.47, 0.05, 0.47. So it's fluctuating. So we did open the screen already. So let's try to wiggle it and see what's going on. Is it to the charging port or something with power issue? So it's not the power issue. It's not the charging port because it's fluctuating 0.05 and 0.47. So if you were to have a charging port issue, it wouldn't fluctuate like that. So it's more likely some kind of power issue. Okay, so what we need to do is take up the board and see what's going on. That's the only way to do it. There's no obvious signs short, but so we need to disconnect this battery connector before we can measure the short. Main power rail, so this is our charge, and I see somewhere. I think there we go. It's main power rail, so it's fine. Jeez, let's go over here then. This whole shoe is already blocked. Let's see, this is short. Okay, yeah, let's pick one of them. Well, we know it's not short. So you plug into charging cable and have a board. And you can see there. So it's very hot, 159 degrees Celsius at the memory. This is the memory, storage memory. So the capacitor right here, that's the capacitor right there. So it could be a shorter capacitor. We take it out and lift it up. It's gone. Okay, so now we plug it back in. There you go. Just the capacitor here that's kind of short out, not short out. So, there are a couple of them in there. Ooh, I can see it. Oh, see that? So we have a short capacitor right there. See this one? Oops, don't touch that. So short capacitor, as you can see, is our black. Try and move it. There you go. So you can see it's pretty dark right there. See, this one is all burnt out compared to this one right here. So let's try and remove it. It should come out easy because it's shorted. I think this should fix the problem. Let's remove it. Just come out. Oh, this is a big one. Oops. Okay. So we can test it again, see if it's short, or is it? Okay. Okay. All right. So we get that out. We don't need to replace it because there are a bunch of other capacitors there. So plug it back in. All right. So if we would, okay. Oh. Where is that? Where is? So there, we plug this in, it should charge up, working normally. All right. It's charging at 1.4 amps normally, and it is showing the battery. I think we fixed it. So let's wait for it to charge up a little bit and power up. All right, it's been charging about 5 minutes already, so let's turn it on. Oh yeah, it's on. So we know there's a passcode, so it's working, and it's charging at 1.4 amps, which is normal. All right, so we fixed the issue. So basically, so there was a short on the iPad. While I was using the iPad, it got shorted, and the whole thing just went dead. So we found out that it was on the memory. One of the capacitors on the nearby the memory was shorted. So we removed it, and it's working fine now. All right, so thanks guys. We're gonna put this iPad back together, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye for now.